Guys, I'm looking for a lipstick or lip gloss na kayang mag-cover ng aking two-toned lips. I have right now is a Time for Ya na ang series is the Stellar Dust Lip Stain nila. Let's try. Ito yun guys. In the shade of Cherion 04. Nilagay ko na siya kanina actually. Pero, i-try natin ulit. Yan. Ganda. Natatakpan niya guys. Natatakpan niya yung two-toned lips ko. Okay, check na natin siya guys. Ayan. Yan lang. Yan lang natanggal. Glossy pa rin. Hindi pa rin nakita yung two-toned lips ko. Ayan, wala. Then, I put some in my hand. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Yan lang. Nandyan pa rin siya, guys. Diyan, guys. Kayo na mag-check. This is Time for Ya.